India and the United States just shook hands on a deal that could change how Indian products move into the US market. So let's take a closer look at what happened. The US was charging really high taxes on Indian goods, up to 50% at one point, and that made it tough for Indian products to compete overseas. But after a chat between President Trump and Prime Minister Modi, Washington agreed to bring down that tax to 18%. Now, why this deal feels like a win over rivals? Here is where it gets interesting. India doesn't just get a tariff cut, it now sits in a better place than a bunch of other Asian exporters when it comes to US tax rates. For some countries like Bangladesh or Vietnam, the US tariffs are still around 20%. Pakistan and Indonesia are at roughly 19%. China, the US still charges higher tariffs around 30 to 35%. So guess what? With India at 18%, it's certainly more attractive for American buyers compared to many of our neighborhood rivals. That's a big competitive edge, meaning Indian products become cheaper and more appealing in the US than Chinese, Bangladeshi or Pakistani products, just because of this tariff change. You don't even need to get into complex numbers, the gap itself spells opportunity. People will notice this in export markets. Trump also claimed a few extra points in his announcement. India will bring its own taxes on US goods down to zero. India has agreed to stop buying Russian oil and buy from the US or even Venezuela. India might end up spending huge amounts of American energy, agriculture and tech. Trump mentioned $500 billion worth of stuff. Now important, some of this is Trump's claim and fully official details haven't been released yet by both governments. But this is the picture that's out there right now. The way I see it, this isn't just a tariff cut, it's a strategic shift. India now gets a pricing edge against China, Pakistan, Bangladesh and others. That means more buyers might choose made in India over made somewhere else. And for companies selling stuff like textiles, chemicals, jewelry or automotive parts, this is a big deal. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments. Till then, keep on watching India TV for more updates.